Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is teacher Mahmoud Sarhan, and today inshallah we will know the difference between the letter Sin and the letter Saad. So please follow me, subscribe and focus. حرف السين and حرف الصاد. Sin and Saad are coming from the tongue, and one is heavy, which is Saad, and one is light, which is Sin. Let's practice. Asa, Asa, Asi, Asi, Asu, Asu, As, As, Assa, 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 Assi, Assi, Assu, Assu, Asan, Asan, Asin, Asin, Asun, Asun, Assan, Assan, Assin, 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 Assun, Assun, Asa, Asa, Asi, Asi, Asu, Asu. The letter Sad. Asa, Asa, Asi, Asi, Asu, Asu, As, As, Assa, Assa, Assi, Assi, Assu, Assu, Ason, Ason, Asin, Asin, Asun, Asun, Asson, Asson, Assin, Assin, Assun, Assun, Asa, Asa, Asi, Asi, Asu, Asu. Sin and Saad in a comparison. Asa, Asa, Assa, Assa, Asan, Asan, Asson, Assan, Asa, Asa, Asi, Asi, Assi, Assi, Asin, Asin, Assin, Assin, Asi, Asi, Asu, Asu, Assu, Assu, Asun, Asun, Assun, Assun, Asu, Asu, As, As. In vocabs: Sin, Sad, Sadidun, Sadidun, Asarru, Asarru, Nakasa, Nakasa, Ahsanat, Ahsanat, Sabbaha, Sabbaha. Jazakumullah khair for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you inshallah soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.